Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper and today I am going to show you how to verify your game files in GOG Galaxy. Or you can also say how to verify integrity of game files in GOG Galaxy. Both are same things, okay? In this video I will gonna explain three things. First one will be how to verify your game files in GOG Galaxy. And then after that I will gonna explain why do we need to verify our game files, what are the benefits of verifying our game files and things like that. Then at last I will gonna suggest you some of my other videos that you might find interesting. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing first, let's verify our game files. Okay, so first thing you have to do is open your GOG Galaxy. If my method that I'm about to show you will not gonna work for you, then run this GOG Galaxy in administrator mode. Let me show you how you can do that. Okay, what you have to do is right click on GOG Galaxy shortcut, click on properties, then click on open file location. Now there will be a file named as Galaxy Client. Right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, then check this one, run this program as an administrator. Click on it, check it, then click on apply, click on OK. I don't need this because I know I'm not having any problem while verifying my game files, but if you're having this, then what you have to do is you have to run this program in administrator mode. Okay, now open GOG Galaxy. Now click on installed. Okay, now what you have to do is move your mouse over your game that you want to verify, right click on it, then move your mouse over manage installation and right over here you will gonna find verify/repair. Click on it. It is verifying as you can see. I think this game is around 13.3 GB, more or less, I don't remember, okay, but it is around 13 GB. So this will gonna take some time. So that's why I am fast forwarding this part. Don't worry, I'm not skipping anything, okay. So as you notice, GOG Galaxy just downloaded 5.6 MB file, which I was not expecting at all. I really don't understand, whenever I go for the verification/repair, GOG Galaxy always downloads some amount of file. I really don't understand why. This is not good. If I don't have any corrupted files, any missing file, then why should I even download? This is not good. I really don't understand. If you know, then let me know in the comment box below why GOG Galaxy always download these files. Okay, so let's talk about why should we verify our game files, what are the benefits of verifying our game files and when should we do that. You don't have to verify your game files on weekly basis, monthly or yearly. You should verify your game files when you start getting some errors like DirectX file missing error, DLL file missing error, or your game is not running as it's supposed to be, or your game is crashing very frequently, you hadn't received any update. At that time, verifying your game files will be the best option. I have seen some people, whenever they get this type of error, file missing errors or game crashing errors, the first thing they do is start googling. You should not do that. Your first approach should be verifying your game file. By verifying your game files, you are fixing those errors in just few clicks. You don't have to waste your time searching for that file missing error, okay, that will gonna save a lot of time. So please trust me, believe me in this. Make sure to verify your game files and then after that, if it does not fix your problem, then Google it. It's your choice, do it. Okay, now let me suggest you some of my other videos similar to this one. If you are interested to know how to verify your game files in Steam Launcher, how to verify your game files in Rockstar Games Launcher, how to verify your game files in Origin, or how to verify your game files in UBI Soft Connect, or how to verify your game files in Blizzard Launcher, then I will gonna leave that video links in the description box below. Okay, so please do me a favor, if you are interested then please check it out. I will happy to know that you have checked my video and commented on that. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. It's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.